Hi. Hello. I'm here. So lots of different birds come down, not just these guys. A little bit in there. Actually got one of these new ones for the other bird. See? I've heard one. They've started gathering. I can hear they're starting to move, which means they're listening. They start to top off one by like kamikaze pigeons, but oh, there they go. They get a bit keen and they start coming down before I've even finished putting the food out. It's really funny. They get really excited. I'm turning into mad Home Alone pigeon lady, but somebody very kindly the other day said that it was more like the one from Mary Poppins with Feed the Birds. Come on then. You're my little extended family, aren't you? You used to just watch me and now you come down and say hi. They're so excited and really want to come down, but they're nervous. There's always the odd brave one, and then when one's brave, then they all come down. They're going over there because I used to put food up there, and then it turned out that there was this little cat that liked to play whack-a-mole, and he would pop his head up from the other side of the fence, and then my dog would come charging out and chase the cat, and it was all rather funny. Here they come. If I throw the seed, they're all going to fly away. They are so flighty. And then there's always one brave one that goes, no, I'm not going anywhere. There's too much good food here. I love them. They are so full of character. I do get all the other birds coming too, but this lot have just turned into such a regular little occurrence. It's so funny. I could just be sat over there on the bench and they're just flying over my head all the time, like scraping me by just centimetres. See, they're not quite comfortable with me yet, but they're getting so much braver. They're so flighty. If I move, oh! But then they all gather there, and then if I throw some seed again, one comes, the other one comes, the other one comes. It's like a little queuing system they've got up there. They're so funny. Look how close they are. They are probably 2 meters from my feet. My foot's here. Whoop. That's as close as they get. Right, so I also put some over here. I've started making it a lot more central in the garden so that the cat can't get to them. Little kitten from next door. Oh, hang on a minute. I've actually just noticed that one of my dog's toys is over there, so I have to go on in. Sorry. Don't want to scare you. Which I just have. I'll be down in a second. I sometimes have 30 to 40 pigeons come in, so they're not all here at the moment, but they're all going to come down now. I love them. So many people hate them, but I don't. I don't see how anybody could hate just another being, another life. And they're so full of character. Right, that's what I do in the morning. That and feed this one. Hello, Chase. Here's your toy back.